Hello, this is Mike Campbell, County Judge for Clay County here in Henrietta, Texas, and I want to provide you with a situation report based on information that we've received from local officials, the Texas Division of Emergency Management, and the Texas Department of Health Services. Right now, it is 4 p.m. on Monday, March the 30th in 2020. So we've closed the courthouse and the annex to the public. The library is closed to the public as well, and as well as our 1890s museum. Staff is available to answer your questions over the phone or by email. And we've also closed the drive-through for the tax office. The state of Texas, as you know, has extended the deadlines for tags and licenses. You might know that renewals are also available mail and online. Now, you need to know that Clay County is, in fact, reporting our very first positive case. This test was conducted in Wichita County and reported to us through the Texas Department of Health Services. We are concerned about the delay of information shared, and we are working with officials to make improvements on how quickly we learn of residents who are tested outside of our county. Right now, there are a total of approximately 34 positive cases across our region. Wichita County and the city of Henrietta in Clay County have both issued shelter-in-place orders today. Now, if you have questions about the Henrietta shelter-in-place order, give the city officials a call there. They can answer those for you. Or if you want to read the order, please go to their website, which is located at cityofhenrietta.com. Now, as predicted, we knew there would be a day when our first confirmed case would arrive in Clay County. Sadly, there may be many more unless we really take actions to prevent the spread. We all understand that both the city and county orders are in place to keep the COVID-19 virus from spreading so quickly that our local medical facilities would not be able to keep up. In rural communities, our hospital emergency staff are already under pressure to provide the necessary service, even in the best of times. So we're counting on each of you to follow the guidelines that have been implemented. Now, there probably won't be a deputy around to make sure that you do it. So it's up to each of us to make good choices, especially regarding social distancing, deciding whether or not this trip is really necessary or essential. If you go to the store, just go to the store if at all possible. Just make sure that you take the precautions there that are necessary. Shop local if you can. We've got great stores in Clay County where you can get probably most everything you need right now. And certainly they would appreciate it. And I think it's probably the safer thing to do. As you make those choices, think about your parents, your children, and your neighbors. There's a genuine chance that someone you know, someone you're kin to, and maybe even someone that you love could be stricken with this virus. Please don't be the cause of their suffering just because you didn't think it was that big of a deal. As parents, it's now more important than ever to know where your children are and what they're doing. I just want to thank you for taking this situation seriously. I want to ask for your patience and understanding as we get through this together. For those of you who are inclined to pray, please pray for those that are already reported as positive. They would have quick healing, that it wouldn't spread. Please pray for our first responders, our EMTs, our hospital and rest home staff, not only the doctors and nurses, but also our critical nutritionists, our lab techs, our maintenance workers, all of those that work so hard to keep us safe in those areas. Please pray for our sheriff's deputies and our jail staff, our DPS, our officials with the game management officers, and certainly our volunteer fire department. And also, we'd ask that you'd pray for our elected officials because we're praying for you. And don't forget, be sure and wash your hands.